shown. Yeah, so now very important thing, chat GPT Playground. This is very important. But understand one thing again, this is not free. This playground is not free, the other place is free. So here, whenever you write something or get some response from server, so it will deduct some credits from me based on the tokens which I am sending and receiving. So that is very important to understand. Don't send spam messages using this playground. But before integrating into the API, you can use this playground to understand and to understand and guess whatever answer it gives. So stay tuned. I have shown everything in my videos also. Actually, don't worry about it. This is very important, and I think everybody uses this actually, whoever are on ChatGPT. So here I am logging in and I will get this kind of response. Okay, and I can write something, who is PM of India, something like that, and it will give me response like the Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. Because why he is giving consent? Because he don't have data after September 2021. So this is how it works, and I will give you so many examples going further. Don't worry. So here you can see the API keys. I had created 3 API keys. I can delete, I can edit and change the name. I cannot see the API key again because it's for the security reasons. They show that API key only once. I can create any number of times, but that's important to know that. Okay, other API keys I will delete those earlier API keys so that there will be no confusion. So this is I don't have any organization. I have personal account. That's why. Otherwise, here it would have shown the organization name also. Okay, so this is the area wherein you can see your API keys. Now this is very important section where I am going to. This is the tokenizer section. It is given by the OpenAI team only. So in the last video I have shown you how it calculates and what is the logic. So my name is Sam. My YouTube handle is TechySam, like this. Okay, so on the fly it is calculating the tokens. You see here it is saying that I have used 12 tokens here and they contain 46 characters. So it has divided into these different colors also. This is just an example. If I do like this, it will give you the complete information about whatever number of tokens and number of characters used here actually. Okay, so I can see the token ID also, but it is of no use to me as a non-developer or non-person. I don't have to do anything with that token ID. So but these are very important, and remember, space has one token, space grabs one token. So send your data very carefully to ChatGPT, otherwise it will bombard with your credit card. So here terms and policies. Here if you see, there are legal terms and policies, privacy policies, service terms, whatever is there. So you can even create the plugin also, but they have some terms for that also. Usage policies you have. You cannot send sexual content, adult content, whatever, and hate or something. API, data usage policy, publication policy, whatever, and vulnerability. Yeah, so these are policies. Whenever you create the account, they consider that you have accepted that, and you need to follow, otherwise they may block your account. Don't use ChatGPT for any adultery or any hate speech or any malware or any anti country or anti world related stuff. Be careful always.